Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys this dupe glitch in Plants vs. Brain Rot. I'm just trying it out for you guys, but basically you're going to go to the plant shop and you're going to click on the item that you think is going to restock. I'll just do sunflower because it's always in stock. And before the new seed changes, you're just going to press on it a lot of times. If you're too lazy, you can use an auto clicker for it. But basically, you're going to get double the amount, I think. So right now I have 3 sunflower seeds. And we'll see if this works. So I'm just going to start clicking when it's at the 5-second mark maybe, or 10. Let's just do this. 6, 5, 4, 3. Just make sure you click on it a lot. Okay, I don't know why it's not working, but it should work like that. But apparently it only works sometimes for the glitch. And instead of just like 5 sunflower seeds, you'll get like 9. And the dupe isn't that much. But yeah, you can try this out for yourself. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click that thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.